Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a taskbar transparent in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. In Microsoft Store, you just need to search for TranslucentTB. Select the TranslucentTB on the first search results and select the install option. After getting installed and select the open option. And now as you can see, select the continue option and my taskbar is transparent. If you want to change this taskbar different, then click on the system tray. Now Translucent TV is opened in system tray. Just right click on it and select desktop and click on normal, and this is normal one again, going the same way. And opaque, this is the second option, and again select the clear option. This is the default one. After we install, we get select the blur option, and another one is acrylic, and you can choose one of these option guys. If you want transparent, then select the clear option, and that's it. And that's how you make taskbar transparent in Windows 11 guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.